Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. My name is Jeanette and the reason why I cash stuff and use zero-based budgeting is to save for 6 months of expenses. So there's a lot to cover today. I am going to do the giveaway winner. That's this right here, and I have the list of names in the back. So I will be scratching off 2 of these because there's 2 winners. There'll be a number on it, and then I'll choose the numbers in the back here, and then I will announce the winner. So we're going to do the giveaway at the end of the video. I do have some light cash stuffing to do in my sinking funds. And also I wanted to show you guys my budgie bestie binder. So this will be discussed on Sundays. There's 2 things that I do have on here that I want to do every video. It's a mood tracker that I have to add money to, as well as a no spend tracker. So those are the 2 things that I'll bring out every video. There's a lot that's going to be changing in the channel. So stay tuned for that. I think I'm going to do that first. I have some money allotted for that. And then the rest is for my cash stuffing. So yeah, I just wanted to discuss this binder really quickly and get into it and do my tracker real quickly. Okay, so Budget Besties, basically I joined a group on here and these are an amazing group of women. There's 20 of us. And I have to say thank you to these ladies. The creator of the group is S&N Budgets Creations. So I do have challenges from some of these ladies, and I will be doing those challenges on Sunday. So this Budget Bestie binder will be discussed on Sundays. I just want to give you a little tour of it. So basically, this is everybody that's included in this group. And this is the January collaboration. We're also doing a giveaway, but I'll discuss that in another video once I get like everything down packed as far as rules and stuff. So we'll do that in another video. So these are all the list of ladies right here, and I'm going to put them in the description box as well. And then we have over here, these are the rest of the ladies. Okay, and then here I made a new savings challenge tracker. And is laminated so you can reuse it. So these are all the savings challenges that are in this binder that I'm trying to complete. So we have the January mood one, and that is by Dreamy Budgets. So January savings mood tracker. So go check her out. Check these ladies out, all these ladies out, but check her out. She has the mood tracker. And then also we have our no spend. So this is going to be the no spend challenge, and it's a tracker, super cute. And this is Budget with Elma. Okay, and then let's move on to the 6 challenges that I'll be doing on Sundays. So, and I'll do this with a dice, 1 to 6. So I'll switch them up every week, every Sunday, and then add to it $2 after I roll the dice. So we have from S&N Budget Creations. If you can see that right there. And then this one is for Blessed Budgets by Abigail. It's a Barbie challenge. And then this one is from She's Got It. It's Life is Beautiful. Then we have this from Miss what is it called? Miss Newlywed Money. And these are roses. And everything here is worth $1, the roses. I have my challenge, my Happy New Year challenge that I added to this. And then last but not least, I have Tiny Budgets Code. That's a challenge she has for New Year's. And then on the back here, these are just more savings challenges. Once I'm done with these minis, I'll just bring these out. There's a lot in here. This is the money bag for it. So I will be cash stuffing this throughout the week as well. My goal every week for this binder is at least $20. If I can go higher than that, that'll be awesome. And then over here, I'm going to put my IOU slips just in case I owe anything to any of the challenges. And I'm going to show you guys the IOU slips because I did make them new and they're in my website as well. Okay, so let's start off with this, the January Savings Mood Tracker. So I'm going to track from yesterday and today. So yesterday I was very, very motivated. I did get a lot of orders in. I guess everybody's getting ready for the new year. They want to save money. So I feel like people are just super motivated to save money. So I did get a lot of orders yesterday. I am working on them. I slept till 2 in the morning. But I was feeling very, very motivated. Like I was like, you know what? I'm going to get this done, get this out to people so they can start saving. And good luck on your guys' savings journey, no matter how you do it. Okay, so yesterday I have to say I felt motivated. So motivated is going to get the color green like money. So I'm going to put a heart on that one in green. Okay. It says to color it in, but I'm just going to put a heart. So that's going to be a total of $3. Okay. And then for today, which is the second, Happy New Year's, everybody. I hope I said that. I probably said it in the last video, but I didn't do a video yesterday. But Happy New Year's to everybody. And I hope you guys had a blessed New Year's. I'm so sorry for that. And today I'm a little like slowed down. So I have to say tired. So I'm going to put a purple heart on 2. I didn't even write my message for the day. My affirmation message for the day. I have it. So I'll do that in a few minutes. Okay. So that's going to get $1. Hopefully I get that motivation like I had yesterday. But today's been a really slow day. So that's going to be $1 there. So I'm going to add these $4 for this challenge. And this challenge is going to be this zippered envelope. So I'm going to add the $4 to this. Okay. And yesterday I had a no spend day. Let me go on here. Yesterday I had a no spend day, so I'm not adding anything to it. If I have a spend day, I'm going to add $2 to this. So I'm just going to put $2 if I spend money for the day. I'm just going to put $2 there. So I didn't spend anything. We've been home. The kids have been home from school. So we just been home, so we don't go out there and spend money. Okay, so that's everything I'm going to do in this binder. Again, all the names will be in the description box, so go check those ladies out. And stay tuned for a January giveaway. Okay, so that's that. Now, new products in the shop I wanted to show you guys really quickly. So we have here, these are IOU cards. So we have the heart one. We have Hello Kitty one. And we have the bow one right here. So you write the amount here. And these are laminated, so they are reusable. Okay. Then I added a new roll the dice challenge. This one is a little more like easier. And the total is $42 for this. And it comes with a dice if you order it. I did a Hello Kitty scratch and save. So Hello Kitty loves you. Super, super cute. Iridescent scratch offs. And then last but not least, you saw the savings challenge tracker that I had in my A5. That is an A5 binder, the budget bestie binder. So you saw it there, and then I have it for A6 as well. This is laminated and could be reused. So it's Hello Kitty as well. So these are all available in my shop. I was working on those yesterday. And now let's get into cash stuffing, and then I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway. Okay, so here's my binder. I'm not cash stuffing a lot today. We have $1 left, so I'll probably put that in my ice cream challenge. So I'll do that a little later. Okay, so in my binder, we're going to do sinking funds. And I did take money out of kids because my daughter went to the mall. So let's bring these up. Now, I'm going to add $5 to this, and this is back to school. So now we have a total of 20, 40, 50, 60, so $60. And I did update my trackers. I need to do it again today. So that's $60 for back to school, updating my trackers. Now kids is going to get a total of $5. Okay, so we had, let's go on the tracker so I can show you guys. Okay, we had a total of 50. I gave her 20 on the 28th. And now I'm going to add $5 to it. So it's 20, 35. And I'm going to try to put that 20 back in too. Like, just put it back in so I could be on track with stuff. Okay, holidays is going to get a total of $5. I believe everything's getting $5 today. And then as we go, I'll cash stuff more. 20, 30, 40, 45, 46. So holidays got a total of 46. I should just name this folder Christmas, honestly, because it's going to go towards Christmas. Okay, birthdays. Birthdays is gonna get a total of $5. And my goal for every birthday is to have $500. But we have a birthday coming up already on the 18th, so I don't know how that's gonna happen. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. So we have a total of 55 in birthdays. Okay, and then as far as my business bills, Shopify is gonna get a total of $5. I just made a payment, so we have 15 here for Shopify. And then taxes is gonna get a total of $5. I need to put more into taxes, but for now it's gonna get $5. Okay, so let's add this 5 to taxes. So now we have 10, 20. Let me do that again. 10, 20, 30, 45. So taxes has a total of $45. Okay. So that is it for my sinking funds as well as my business bills. Now let's jump into the giveaway. Okay, so these are the people who entered the giveaway. And I'm going to scratch off 2 names. So the first one is going to be, let's do this one right here. Sorry for the table shaking. Okay. So we have number 9. Let me just clean this up. That is so annoying when it stays on my desk. Okay, so number 9, that's going to be Lady Lux 8393. So she's going to get 2 challenges. Okay, let me just show them real quickly. Okay. So she's going to get these 2 right here. And these are A5 again with the envelope. So there goes one winner. And then a second winner is going to be, let's choose this one. Okay, so we have number 11. Okay. So number 11 is going to be Chris ACM 3426. So make sure you guys email me at Jeanette'sJourney7.com at yahoo.com. I have it in the description box. So you could claim your prize. The second person is gonna win these 2 and an A5 frosted zippered envelope. Okay, so that's it for the giveaway. Congratulations, guys, who won the giveaway. I might be doing another one soon. This was for January. I'll probably do one for February, like a Valentine's Day one. And I think that's all I have for today. This dollar, let's put it in our ice cream challenge really quickly. Okay, right here. We're almost done with this challenge. We need 3 more after this one. I don't have a black marker, so on me. So let's just use the green one. And now we have a total of, let's count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So a total of $17. Okay, hopefully you guys checked out my video on Monday where I did the Monday colorful challenge. So hopefully you guys check that out, and thank you for those orders as well. I hope you guys have fun with that game. So check out the new products in the shop. Thank you guys for all your support just by watching my videos. And let's do the message of the day real quick because I didn't get to. So the message of the day is motivation Motivation is the key to success. And that's by me. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.